Ew, your water smells like rotten eggs. I get it. I lived on well water too, and I get it. So if you're having that problem and it smells like rotten eggs and you want to get rid of it, let's look at the technology that is out there. First off, there's a PurAClear chlorine injection system that's on the market. And what it does is it follows guidelines set by the EPA for every city in the country. Yes, we take chlorine, we put it into a little solution tank, and we inject that into your water system. And we mix it, sort of like the water towers that you have in the cities. So that those water towers are mixing chlorine with the water, which is what this does. And then we run it through a carbon filter to take that chlorine back out, because we really don't like chlorine. So that said, that makes the water odor-free. So if you've been having that rotten egg smell and you're embarrassed, you just don't want your family to smell like that again, contact Angel Water. Here we'll talk to you about the PurAClear chlorine injection system, and our job is to help you make your family more healthy and save you money. If you have any further questions on this, reach out to us anytime. Have a great day, and I'm Drew.